Hey guys, a lot of clearance on Puma, Adidas, even Adidas, but this don't have Hurley. And this one is $10. So we gotta scan it. Okay, hold on in a minute. Well, I'm gated, of course. I'm still collecting. If I have a lot of Puma items to sell, I probably do the ungating process, but not right now. When it's $10. You get it $7. It's not bad. See, right here, scan it. Then if you sell this, if see, Amazon does not selling, so yeah.